Okay, guys, many crocheters really put big effort for tutorials online to teach you how to do exactly straight ends on the end of it. Well, on the end of crocheting field. Well, does it necessary? Is it necessary? On my opinion, absolutely not. Because waving end, what I have right here, look much better to me. That's my own opinion, and please do not let nobody else to let you how to fly. Not me, not everybody else. All of us as individual, and we all put in individual efforts of what we're doing. Well, it's up to you to choose it or not. If you're knitting something like blankets, the throws, baby blankets, you're knitting scarves, like this is a phone case, and this seems to go inside completely. No, just subscribe because all these videos on there already, and you don't need that exactly straight end. I do realize why people make point about it. Why? Because if you don't, kind of you have to keep track on where you put your hook in and out, because it's so easy to get off count. It's so easy to get wide up, decrease your job if you not pay attention, or increase your job weight. And you don't want that. You want straight job like that, because I'm making phone case. That's how it will go. And subscribe, but you will not miss it. It's practically done. It will be such a beautiful hook up, and I still have to make cord to go to that. But this is my point. You have to realize our purpose. Always go from purpose, what you need it for. And for beginners, I suggest you do not waste time about any thinking. I just place video online, which is how to do crochet. It's the simplest, easiest way possible. Take from me, who do not do crochet on a regular basis. I know how to do all of it, but I do prefer knitting. I'm making point about it. I prefer knitting for my exercises, because in my opinion, knitting exercise my carpal tunnel is much better as crochet. Well, that's why I am making point what I personally prefer knittings, but because I still do crochet, and most of crocheters, they don't do knitting, and opposite, knitters do not do crochet. Well, that's why, because it's a different muscle memory in your hands to follow that. Well, because I kind of do both, that's why I placed that video. Please check it out. I'm placing in the end of this one how easiest way possible to do crochet for those who never did crochet before, never thought will be crocheting before, and now got idea to crochet. Well, and in that video, if you will follow those instructions, what I already placed with that orange thread in that video, about my talking, by the way, is the same instruction. That's what you're gonna have. You're gonna have that waving end, and it's exactly what you need to do. Because don't put too much in your brain, okay? Develop your taste to it. Have some pieces around already used, and it's so cute, and everybody will ask where you got it, and you will say I made it. And when you get taste of it, what you can be different, you can recycle actually. Well, after that, you can start doing some, by the way, we're gonna start doing some patterns, which is more complicated. This is single crochet. Look how nice it look like. Look how nice. All these knots laying perfectly fine. Really nice, really thick. It's good for by the way, it's a separate video. I will show to you how easy you can layer it. If your yarn is not thick enough, how to layer without any troubles. Well, I will show to you in some other video. Well, separate videos. That's why please subscribe, but you will not miss none of it. But that's, by the way, good tip, because in another video, which is I'm placing right above my talking top right corner, please click on it. It will take you to another video where I'm showing to you how to choose yarn for crochet and how to choose hooks for crochet. Well, that's another something beneficial if you never need before. But this is how you make your scarf. You make any weight. Right now it's not wide enough, obviously, for scarf, unless it's for baby. Because I'm making again my phone case. That's what I'm gonna make it. But if it's Let me go a little bit more far, what you can see better. Get your cup of coffee, get your cup of tea, whenever you prefer, and as you can see, my cups is metal because my carpal tunnel is so bad what I keep breaking my cups. No, well, my husband telling me what pretty soon we're gonna look like prison because most of our dishes is metal. Well, but anyway, what it is, you have to learn how to live with your problems. And well, get your cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and relax and crochet. Relax and crochet. And it's really easy. It's really easy. If you start it, you already have some goal to finish 1 inch, to finish 2 inches, to finish period of that, to finish by holidays, by Thanksgiving, by Christmas. And this is the time. This is end of August, and this is the time to start working on your Christmas presents. This is one of those, which is I have whole, by the way, I have whole playlist of gift ideas. Please go on the channel of page by clicking name of channel below this video. It will take you to channel page. Go on the playlists and scroll down playlist. You will find that more is 50 of them, and one of them is gift ideas, practical gift ideas, and you will see what you can come up with. Very practical, usable presents for your loved ones, for your family, and it's DIY, do it yourself present, which is you put your time, you put your effort, you put, most important, love in it. This is the best present you can make to anybody. No, well, guys, and did they cover all of it? I think I did. No, well, this waving edge again is good for scarves. This is a perfect for it, and it's so easy. I just showed you how to do it. You can make a lot of stuff just by knowing single crochet. Just by knowing, like in 15 minutes, learning how to crochet, you can make actually start and finish projects. Thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for your efforts to watching me with all this bad accent going on, and thank you for your time.